this Mina? It's Wes. Yeah, Wes. Okay. Yeah. Bye.
So yeah, this is make yourself at home, I guess. So my friend is throwing a party tonight, and she said it was totally cool if you wanted to swing by with me. Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Alright. So I'm just gonna, if you need to take a shower, the bathroom's upstairs.
Alright. Mina?
Yeah?
Is this your theater thingy?
What? Oh, no, that's my roommate. She does theater here.
Oh, that's cool.
What, are you into that stuff?
Yeah, I'm actually trying to be a playwright. Do you know Arts Bridge?
Yeah, actually, I was gonna do that when I was in...
There you go.
No, you can go, it's fine.
Well, that's what I'm actually here for. I'm doing this playwriting seminar in Christopher, like 20 minutes north. What were you gonna say?
Oh, nothing.
So, what's your major?
Statistics.
I could never. It's like so general, like, what do you want to do?
Hopefully I will figure that out soon.
Nice.
Dyer's still starting in. Freaking 30 minutes late. He has no fucking clue what's going on. He drops all his shit. Papers start flying everywhere. Super fucking good.
Oh my god.
Sage was so right about this aria.
Wait, Sage? Like, Dyer?
Okay. So obviously, who goes to help
Are you good?
Yeah, I just needed some air. You?
Me? Yeah, I need some air too. No, I'm good. I've actually never had alcohol before.
What?
Yeah.
Well, is there like a reason?
Well, I've just never cared for it, you know. I'm not gonna pretend to now.
By the way, I don't think I ever told you. I think it's awesome that you. My mom used to costume my middle school musicals, and it was cool because I had never really seen much of her. I don't know if your dad told you anything, but my mom's just isn't around anymore. She just went missing. I don't understand how I have been getting along so normally, but you know, I'm actually just realizing that I've never actually lived anywhere that I've been. I mean, it's like all I can do is think backwards while my mind is trying to poorly fill in the blanks. And there's honestly like only two things that I consciously lived through. One was when my mom left and I just had to witness it. And then the second was, it was just before my 6th grade show, and my mom was like sewing me into a sequin dress, and when I looked down, there were like a million tiny little mirrors of us. And then I'm downstage. And then one day I just sang for the last time. And I started and then I stopped. I never did it again. But I think it's really cool that you want to write. Seriously.
Hey, mama, won't you calm down? Wash my hair like you wash my hair for years and years. I'm going. Ooh, wash my hair like you wash my hair for years and years. I'm going. There's a man I know, I think he loves me so. Finally, I'll go away. So, mama, won't you calm down?